na I said na talaga mataas ang IQ ni Ball. So he was driving to the basket, right? Yung nag-crossover siya, nawala yung depensa niya from the perimeter. So he went straight to the hoop. Si June Mariata yung nag-attempt na mag-block sa kanya. So nang nasa area na siya, may nag-attempt na ma-block. So kasi normally pa in the NBA or even the PBA, yung bang mga circus shots na nag-iisa ka lang, pass break, tapos pina-bounce mo sa board yung bola, kinuha mo, tsaka nilay-up or dunk, whatever. Ganun yan. Those are just circus shots na nag-iisa ka. But this was endgame. That's why I was so impressed. Na he blew by his defender. He took off right under the elbow. Tapos mag-shot na sana siya, runner. May San Miguel player na nag-attempt mag-block. He bounced the ball in the backboard na in a spot na siya lang makakuha once he lands. So, na-bounce niya, land siya lang isa, dunk. Such a smart play. Yeah, in game.